PSG wins yet another League One title, or Ligue A, depending on how you call it. And they continue their dominance in the French league. Big ups to Paris Saint-Germain, and they will be hoping to add on the Champions League title when they face Inter Milan in a couple of days.